Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're signed in and at Drive. Start by finding the image you want gone. Click Search and type the file name or use the Images filter to narrow results. Once found, hover to reveal controls and select the file with a single click so it's highlighted. Make sure it's the exact copy you intend to delete. Drive can contain duplicates. If it's inside a shared folder, note ownership details before proceeding. After selection, you're ready to choose Delete from the toolbar. Once the file is selected, remove it by clicking the trash icon or right-clicking and choosing Remove. You're telling Drive to move it to trash. If you're on mobile, open the File options and tap Remove. Make sure to check whether you're the owner. If you're not, removing may only remove your shortcut. After removal, Drive lists the file in Trash so you can recover it for a limited time. Remember that shared links may still work until the file is permanently deleted. To finish, open Trash from the left menu, select the image, and choose Delete Forever to permanently remove it and free storage. Once done, the file cannot be recovered. If you can't delete, check ownership and whether the file is in a shared drive with restricted permissions, transfer ownership, or ask the owner. Also ensure your network synced. Sync delays can prevent immediate removal. If a removed image reappears, refresh Drive or sign out and back in to resolve caching or sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.